I made every clip in this video with zero filming, zero editing software, and zero skills, just a chat box. And this is the exact workflow people are using right now to spin up faceless channels and turn AI video into real ad money. Let's dive in. Here is the part nobody starting a channel wants to admit. Most channels do not fail because of ideas. They fail because production slows everything down. One tiny thing ruins the clip. Bad lighting, wrong background, random person in the shot, wrong product, wrong aspect ratio. Character looks good, but the outfit is off, so the clip never gets posted. Before, you had to fix it in After Effects or Premiere or reshoot everything. Buzzy is trying to kill that with Photoshop, basically Photoshop for video through chat. You just type what you want, remove that person, warm up the lighting, change the background, swap the product, make it vertical, keep the motion but replace the character. That is why I call it Vibe Video Photoshop, and I am testing 10 real examples. Here is the first one. I take a freeze time fantasy battle trend and replace Lara with Gigi, while keeping the frozen effect, motion and scene consistent. That means you can ride a viral format with your own character. Then I try a stadium cam swap. Same viral stadium energy, but I replace the man in frame while keeping the room, lighting and camera motion natural. You change only the part that matters before the trend dies. Next, I test a stylized character swap. The main character changes, but the art style, motion and background stay consistent. That is how a faceless channel can build one recognizable character across uploads. Then I push the scene harder with image to video content. I turn an ice race idea into a desert dune race while keeping the cars, speed and camera energy. One concept becomes multiple worlds. Now for the bigger demo, a 1-minute cyberpunk travel ad with Buzzy canvas. I start with inspiration around neon cities, futuristic trains, rainy streets, drone shots, and fast travel montage energy. Buzzy builds the story. Two heroes enter abandoned city, move through the streets, and then zombies attack and the epic battle begins. Then I generate the character, background world, storyboard, and use Canvas to build a longer video up to 1 minute. This matters because most AI video tools still feel like short, disconnected clips. Buzzy connects idea, inspiration, story, character, background, storyboard, and video. After that, I take a normal clip of Roman and place him on Mars with red dust, rocky terrain, and an alien sky, while keeping his motion consistent. So far, this helps creators post faster, but brands pay for the same thing because it lets them make ads without reshooting. I take a chocolate ad and turn it into a luxury Vortex perfume commercial, replacing the product while keeping the hand movement, reflections, and cinematic lighting. Then I take a headphones commercial and replace the character while keeping the product, camera move, lighting, and placement. Shoots are expensive. Sometimes brands just need a different face. Then I change a plain adventurer clip into a fantasy Maldives-style world with turquoise water, while keeping the character and motion consistent. And finally, I use a reference video and ask Buzzy to recreate a viral dance, matching choreography and camera energy while applying it to my clip. Buzzy also mentions the new Gemini Omni model, which fits this direction because the goal is smarter video understanding, not random generation. You ask for specific visual changes inside a video. There is also OpenCal on messaging apps through Buzzy's Create Agent page, so content creation can move into chat-style workflows instead of full editing software. My honest takeaway, Buzzy works best when the take is good, but one thing is wrong. Background, product, lighting, character, format, or versioning. It is not replacing every editor. It removes the production wall that stops most people from posting. Talk to the video, change the video, post the video, and let it pay you back. The Buzzy link is in the description.